everyone, today we are here at LA Car Accessories and we have this Porsche Taycan. So since it's an electric luxury sports car, we want to make every drive even more comfortable by installing our Nano-Tech ceramic film MAX 30. One of the biggest advantages of MAX 30 is its excellent heat rejection. Even under the hot Philippine sun, it helps reduce the heat entering the cabin, making your drives cooler and more comfortable. It also blocks up to 99% of harmful UV rays, helping protect both your skin and the vehicle's interior from fading over time. And because it's a Nano-Tech ceramic film, it won't interfere with your GPS, Bluetooth, mobile signal, and other electronic devices. What I also like about MAX 30 is its premium look. It gives the car a sleek, classy finish while maintaining clear visibility from the inside for a safer driving experience. And there you have it, another successful installation here at LA Car Accessories. And if you want to upgrade your car, visit any of our 4 branches where you are near here in Makati, Paranaque, Cebu, and Davao.